Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Steam in your Windows 10. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to the Windows button here and then you have to click on settings. Now the interface might look different on your Windows depending on your Windows version, but there will always be apps and you have to click on apps. Now after going to apps and feature, you have to scroll down and then find Steam icon that is here. Click on it and then click uninstall. Then click uninstall again. So you have to click yes to allow the app to uninstall. Then we are presented with this uninstallation box, and now you have to click uninstall. So it has completed its uninstallation, and now I'm going to close this. That's how you can uninstall Steam from your Windows 10. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope you were able to uninstall Steam. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.